This is the 2022 range of motorhomes from Itineo, a brand of Rapido. And we'll start with this thing here, MC740, costs 80,000 euros in excess of, and or 80,000 plus I should say. And this was, first time I saw it, a rather cheap motorhome, but the price has gone shooting up, partly because of the problems in supply. You know, the base vehicle has gone up by around 5,000 euros, something like that, just when the Fiat Ducato chassis. The parts have all gone up in cost, all because of the problems with distribution due to COVID. But there's been other problems as well, and the demand shooting up for motorhomes, so that's been a problem, which obviously has affected the supply of parts, because there's more and more people wanting the same parts, building their own vans, or companies wanting to get the motorhome parts. So that's put the price of parts up, and that's what's happened. So the prices have gone shooting up. Now people say to me, they're like, oh, that van is not worth that type of money. I fail to see how anybody can say something is not worth it, particularly when there's a huge demand. If you order something today and you have to wait for it 1 year, then I think it is worth the money. 76,742 centimeters, Spirit Edition SB 740. So now, to be quite honest, there's not much difference between the price of this and the price of the Rapido branded motorhome. So Itineo is not any longer a cheap alternative. Right, so here we've got the kids bit at the back. Kids get the wardrobe on the bed, this bed there. I'm going to just walk around, let the ladies talk.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is 6 p.m. and visit the fair is closing for today. We would like to thank you for your visit and wish you a pleasant evening. Mesdames et messieurs les visiteurs, et avec cela, la voix pour aujourd'hui. Nous commençons notre visite et nous souhaitons une bonne soirée. Señoras y señores, sorprese, e adesso la fiera chiude per oggi. Vi ringraziamo per la vostra visita e vi auguriamo una piacevole serata. Dames and Herren, het is 18 uur en daarmee sluit de beurs voor vandaag. Wij danken voor uw bezoek en wensen u bovendien een mooie
So I had to have a break from speaking due to the fact that the people sticking music up, which is, I believe, copyright. Anyway, I can continue now with the commentary. We can see from here how many vehicles they have or are producing, which is quite a lot. Now, let's we'll go on to this one. Both integrated and semi-integrated. This one's semi-integrated, and it comes at a cost of 52,150. So that is comparatively cheap for a German layout van. €660, 70,000 euros, 661 centimeters in length. And another one of these that has bunk beds in the back, but it does look quite smart with that logo. €70,000. This one, CJ660, 661 centimeters long. Oh, and it does look much nicer, this one, than some of the others. Oh, nice finish. Definitely has a more elegant flavor to it. Two more to go. This one here is a 67,800, 661 centimeters in length. Oh, it's got a very forward door and a raisable queen bed at the back. And finally is this one here, but we're not getting in this one because somebody's walked in it. JC740, 77,500. Alright, so that's the Itineo range. I'm sorry I couldn't talk all the way through. This is the problem here. People put on copyright music, which is not only not permitted, which is a breach of someone else's copyrights, and having had my own one of my own videos stolen by someone else, I certainly sympathize. Anyway, this is me in Dusseldorf, 2022 range of motorhomes from Itineo. Thanks for watching.